How to solve cellular plan issues on iPhone. Having trouble adding a cellular plan to your iPhone? Let's check if your iPhone is carrier locked. Open the Settings app. Tap on General, and then About. Scroll until you find Carrier Lock. If it says No SIM restrictions, good news, your iPhone is unlocked. But if you're still having issues, then try restarting your iPhone. Next up, ensure your iPhone software is up to date. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update. An update might just fix your issue. If you're still having issues, let's reset network setting. Head to Settings, General, Reset, and tap Reset Network Setting. Note, this will erase your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, so be prepared to re-enter them. If you've tried everything and your iPhone is still not cooperating, it might be time to contact your carrier. They can provide specific guidance and support.